Hey guys, I have a question for you. Are you stuck in a lookalike trap?
So I see that in so many accounts. People just keep abusing the lookalikes, and that's essentially the only audience that they have. They create a lookalike of leads, they create a lookalike of purchases, frequent visitors, old visitors, grandmas, uncles, aunties, and every dog on the street. This has to stop. This is madness.
In this video, I want to cover the 3 main issues that people have with their lookalike campaigns. So first of all, they rely on their lookalikes alone. And this is a big problem. You don't feed any new leads, you don't diversify your traffic, you just create a lookalike of a lookalike of a lookalike. You're essentially attracting the same type of audience, and after a while it gets stale, you lose profitability, and you're not reaching out there to show your product to new people. Secondly, your lookalikes are created of wrong audiences. I cannot even tell you how many times I saw people creating lookalikes of website visitors. This is not a good idea, especially if you run paid traffic. So you attract a bunch of people who are not properly pre-qualified to your website to read your blog and consume your content, and then you're creating a lookalike of that traffic. That is not a good idea. These people are not your ideal customers, and you're just mudding down your waters. At the very least, try creating lookalike of the top 25% visitors, or of your leads, purchases, add to carts, or any kind of meaningful activity that you have on your website. These will be much better quality lookalikes. And lastly, your lookalike burnout. So this is a situation when you uploaded a list and you created a lookalike of that list, and you've been using this lookalike for ages now. So essentially you drain that lookalike. All the best qualified people in that particular lookalike have already purchased your product or signed up for your service, and it's time to test new lookalikes or upload a new list to create a lookalike from. So I hope this video was helpful, and now you can create better lookalikes with it. If you like this video, make sure to click like or share below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.